Philippines down below. There's Korea. Russia. There's Russia.
Russia's all the way up here.
Okay. And about island of Hawaii.
With
Hawaii.
U.S.
Okay.
So U.S.
What's the capital of Japan?
Tokyo.
Very good.
Correct.
It has its own. Wait.
Yeah, there's 7 different parks. Adventureland, World Bazaar, Westernland, Fantasyland, Tomorrowland, Critter Country, and Mickey's Toontown. So
In Asia, though, many people go to Tokyo for Disneyland.
But Japan still has an emperor, yes?
Okay, but just trying
Right.
to
He's married and he has 2 girls.
2 girls.
And it was a big deal because in Japan we need a male.
Uh-oh.
See, wait.
What is the government in Japan? It's kind of twofold, isn't it? You have the emperor.
Mm-hmm. You have the prime minister.
Oh, there you go.
I mean, science is all around you. In this case, we're gonna look at the rice. So, who did the rice just now? Who measured the 5 cups? Does that seem like a lot of rice to you guys?
Yeah, nope.
Think the rice that is cooked would fit into that cup?
No. Gelatinization.
That means the cell wall breaks apart and then the rice expands. It doesn't happen immediately. It happens when you apply, introduce heat to it. Yeah.
Issue that women in Japan face, women and girls. And yeah, Jorie's gonna tell us her story.
Little bit of background. I came here as an exchange student and I studied in the United States. And when I graduated from university, I went back to Japan looking for a job. I was at the interview and I was told that since I'm a girl, I have to be able to pour executives tea.
You were well educated, just as well educated and competent as the men, but you're expected to serve them.
I'd say pour your own tea.
There you go.
You could say that, but what if they said, okay, then you're fired. Go ahead and leave the office. Then what would you do?
I get a different job.
Well, that's what Yorie had to do. She had to leave the country because every company in Japan is like that. But what other things could you do about that?
Everyone protested and if if you protested and nobody went to work, then the companies wouldn't earn the money and then they would hopefully change it.
Every woman protested. Do you think they'd be able to deal with it?
No,
Japanese. The tip is you don't want to put any emphasis on any of the word. So, not konnichiwa, it's konnichiwa flat. Konnichiwa. How do you say goodbye?
Sayonara?
Yes. Sayonara.
Sayonara.